Well, there's a couple components to the teaching materials. One, I'm trying to do kind of cliff notes for teachers. If you look at any teaching manual for math, the teaching guide is probably this thick for second grade math. And my feeling is if it's this thick, they didn't do it right. Because second grade math should be easy. So what I try to do is I'm trying to write a very small, condensed, abridged primer on teaching math, so that any parent or any teacher could read it in 60 minutes and actually know how to teach their child math. To go along with that, I've created a whole bunch of math games. Numskill is one of the games I've created, and I've done a bunch of flashcards for multiplication, subtraction, addition, division. And now there's a series being put out by Houghton Mifflin called Math Street Smarts that will be on YouTube. And what we do there is I go on the streets of Boston and we interview really supposedly smart math people, MIT grad students. We interviewed an engineer from Apple. We try to find, we got a Harvard senior who got like 1,600 on his SATs. And what I do is I ask them math questions. And a lot of times they can't solve them quickly. And then I show them good strategies to solve them. And then we have the whole thing on video. And it just turns out to be a very fun way to teach math. So that's really the components of the program I'm putting together.